Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to share a recipe for chicken karahi with homemade naan. Now who doesn't love homemade naan with chicken karahi? So let's get started. Here are some of the basic ingredients. I'll be using homemade ghee to make this, and I have 1.5 pounds of chicken, tablespoon of ginger, tablespoon of garlic, 3 tomatoes, 3 green chilies, and some julienne cut ginger for garnishing. You can use a wok or any pot, but I decided to use a wok today, and I added half a cup of ghee in there. After adding the ghee, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic in there, and we're going to saute that on high till it changes color to light golden. Once it reaches that point, I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken in there. You can use whole chicken with bone, but I decided to go with boneless today, and I'm using chicken thigh meat. I added 1 teaspoon of salt. Do add salt according to your diet. And I'm going to go ahead and add 1 heaping teaspoonful of coriander powder. I grind my coriander at home, so it's best if you do that as well. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half a teaspoon of zira powder, and I'm going to go ahead and add half a teaspoon of turmeric, and we're going to go ahead and mix everything together real good. And after mixing it for about 5 minutes or so, go ahead and add your tomatoes in there. I'll put the tomatoes facing down because we need to take off the peel after they soften up a little. So I'm going to leave it on high. We're going to cover it for about 10 minutes or so, and then we're going to go ahead and peel the skin off. It's very easy at this point to do that, so go ahead and use your tongs to peel off the skin off of all the tomatoes. After removing all the skin, go ahead and use your spoon to mash up the tomatoes a little bit, and we're going to continue to cook this on high till all the liquid has dried up and the ghee starts to separate. Once it gets to this point, we're going to cook it on high and sauteing it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and throw in the green chilies. Mix that for a few minutes, and just go ahead and put your ginger on top and use some coriander for garnishing as well. I didn't have any fresh coriander on hand, so I'm using frozen. And that's it. You're done with your karahi and it's ready to serve. I served this karahi with naan. I made homemade naan, so the recipe for the naan will be up on my channel pretty soon. If you haven't done so, please give me a follow, like, and share my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more recipes.